is my 3 files I created. This one is for Google text and query, and this is advanced, and this is image search. When I click on the query text search page, it shows like this, and as is it clear, then there is a link in the upper right as indicated in the specifications, which leads me to the image search page, and the search bar is centered and rounded like the Google search, and the bottom of Google search, which when I click on it, which and does the searching, it is underneath or beneath the search bar, so it is as the specification says. So let's see if it is working. Tommy Gary, and then when I click on Google search, it takes me Tommy Gary, and here is the Google search and result. But then it is weird, when I click on Google image search, it just say the file was not found. But before I submit the project, I submitted, and now it was working. So I don't know, it is like something related to me submitting the file or something like that. And when I click on image search bar and page, it shows like this, and the search bar is rounded and centered, and the searching button is underneath the searching bar, and there is in the upper right and a link which takes me back to the searching page I came from. When I click on it, Rami, and click on Google search, it takes me to the image search. So it is working here, but yeah, it's working. This style is different. I made it like the border with another color, and like if I come back to the specification, like let's check if the query text search should be able to type in and take it to the Google search result for that, and search bar should be centered, rounded. We have seen it. The button should be also centered and beneath the search bar. We have seen it. And the query image in the Google image search, the user should be able to type in query, click search button, and be taken to the Google image search. We have seen it. And like, let's now take a look on the advanced search page. And advanced search page is here. When I click on it, and it shows three rounding, and like find page with all these words, find page with any of these words or phrases, find pages with this exact words. So it is vertical as the specification says. Let us check the specification. And on the Google Advanced Search, the user should be able to provide the input following, like find big with all these words, exact word, any of these words, none of these words. We have seen it. We have made that conditions. And appearance, like Google's own Advanced Search appearance, like consistent with Google on its Advanced Search button, should be blue with white text. If we see this, and it is the search button is blue, and the text is white. We have made that. And if we see, there could be a lucky button, and we takes to the Google, and let's see, and here we have it. I'm feeling lucky. So let's see if any of these is working really. So let's type like gender and history and exact word, like make it struggle, and I don't want any of camera related. So when I click on it, it's exactly working as the Google Advanced Search one. And when I click I'm feeling lucky, it takes me to the Google main page, so it's working. And here is the text, there is a button which takes me back to the first query text series page. When I click, it's not say file was not found. This is strange because it was working yesterday and I checked the URL and it is true, but it seems like it's something related to the me submitting the files. But it is working, so that is, I think I met the requirement.